Welcome. Today we're going to explore how nature itself teaches us about leadership. We'll see how antennas, pyramids, and even Pixar style animals can show us what it means to succeed together. The theme is simple: nature, antennas, and the propagation of leadership. Now meet our skeptical friend, the meerkat engineer. Look at those oversized safety goggles, way too big for his tiny face. He's clutching a rolled up blueprint like it's top secret, and just look at his expression. He's not buying it. He's saying, "Show me the data first." That's what makes engineers different. We don't accept claims on faith. We test, we measure, we prove. And that's why skepticism, far from being a weakness, is actually our superpower. Here's our beaver professor in his lab coat, chalk in paw, pencil in his teeth. On the chalkboard, he writes the famous Poynting vector equation: E cross H equals S. But when he transforms it, it transforms into skill set times mindset equals success. Just like light needs both magnetic and electric fields to propagate, leadership needs both skill set and mindset to move forward. Without one, the wave collapses. With both, radiates success. Now picture this: an eagle standing alone on one mountain peak, focused and intent. On another peak, a group of penguins huddled together in team spirit. Each has a golden antenna glowing above their heads. At first, the signals are weak, but when they align, the waves connect across the valley, strong, clear, and unstoppable. Leadership works the same way. Our values act as antennas. It's what we transmit that influences others. When tuned and aligned, they resonate, amplify, and propagate. Now here's where the theory was tested, not in a lab, but in a ballroom. There I was, hard hat and all, moonwalking on stage. Yes, even engineers can moonwalk. And in the audience, penguins clapped, the turtle smiled, the eagle cheered from the back. One penguin even brought popcorn. And here's the point: they weren't just entertained, they were tuned in. My values were the transmitting antenna. Their hearts and minds were the receiving antennas, because we were aligned on heritage, humility, and humor. The signal propagated strong, clear, and unforgettable. Nature is the greatest systems engineer. She's already written the protocols. Penguins show us team spirit, sticking together like a phased array antenna. What about the eagle? His antenna is intentness, focus, precision, high gain. The bee's antennas is cooperation, a buzzing mesh network. The turtle, he is self-control, steady as a clock oscillator. And finally, the bluebird, his strong burst with enthusiasm, radiating joy through the whole field. These aren't just cute metaphors, they're natural protocols, standards tested and refined over millennia. Now let's put this into equations, because engineers love equations. First, skill set times mindset equals success. Zero out either and you've got nothing. Second, steam times teams equals vector of success, where steam is the magnitude and teams give you direction. Magnitude plus direction means purposeful leadership. And then the third equation: progress times purpose equals meaningful life, because motion without direction isn't displacement. Now these aren't just slogans, they're leadership physics. So what's the return of investment for IEEE? Look, here's the ant, industrious as ever, leading the way. The wise owl passes down knowledge. The eagle and meerkat carry it forward as young professionals. Penguins and the bird represent eager students. And even the turtle and the bee, symbolizing K through 12, are inspired to follow. Together they climb the path toward the glowing pyramid. This is IEEE's return on investment. Not just numbers, but a living pipeline of growth, resilience, and sustainability. And here it is, the pyramid in full light. Every animal, every value, every protocol aligned. Each radiates golden waves outward, not keeping their gifts to themselves, but transmitting them far beyond. At the top, the climber shines brightest, not because he stands alone, but because he's lifted by all below, learning from nature's gifts to us. So I leave you with one question. What signal value will you transmit? Because leadership isn't just about climbing the pyramid. It's about helping others rise by radiating your values and lifting others with your help.